this is Brittany down here at Subaru of Puyallup. Just want to showcase how to install a front-facing booster seat in the 22 Forester. Alright, so we have the car seat, booster seat right here. So there's going to be the 2 points that we're going to go ahead and tie it down. First one is going to be the lap belt in the back. We're going to go ahead and feed it through right here and secure it in the little seatbelt lock and pull it tight. That way you have it secure. So that's going to be the first point. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do the second point. If you have any other questions, you can visit us at subaruofpuyallup.com or 720 River Road.